it's going to be a wonderful event. And tell us about the daily activities, Susan. What all's happening today?
People are registered right now, and we are selling hats and sweatshirts, and we have cookies so that people can, again, donate to the shelter. And then we also are providing free coffee, juice, bagels. It's a wonderful way for the community to get together. Everyone is walking their dogs, people meeting people, being out and starting their day with some exercise.
And it's so great to have an opportunity to be able to walk with your dog. I love that, because we don't have enough activities where the dogs actually get to participate. You plan ahead next year if you missed it this year, so we hope you'll be able to come out next year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Susan. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, and no, I have not been shopping in all of these bags. This is going to be the wonderful doggy bags that are the real doggy bags. These are for dogs for sure, not take-home food, but wonderful prizes and fun things for animals that are here at the Paw Walk. And if you missed coming to the Paw Walk this year, come next year so you can see what's inside these wonderful goodie bags for dogs. So here we have today Jonathan McCann that's with us.
Nice to see you.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
And he is the president of the entire Southampton
Animal Shelter Foundation.
Wow, that's a big responsibility.
Well, it's a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. We privatized the shelter in January of 2010. And since then we've made a great many changes and improvements to the shelter. Our adoption rate has increased by 43%.
Now, how many rescue pets do you own, John?
I have, let's see, I have 2 rescued dogs and I have 3 rescued cats. And, oh my Lord, I have horses, one of which is rescued. I have chickens, a number of which are rescued. So the list goes on. There's always room.
Okay. It's nice to have someone that walks the walk and talks the talk as well. Thank you so much for what you do.
You're so welcome. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for your support.
Well, it is. We're right there behind you. And this is our pet hero right here, which is Sony Shotland. Yes, absolutely. Sony, you may have seen us take her before in a beautiful home there in East Hampton. But Sony is one of the best dog lovers and rescue pet advocates that we have in all of Long Island. And we are so proud of you. It's really wonderful to have you. Thank you. Okay, great. How are you? So nice to meet you. I'm Jewel. I'm Marianne. Marianne, thank you for supporting the rescue. We're here with Let's Talk About Animals, our TV show. And we'd like to know how you got involved and what your participation is in today's event.
Well, I'm the mayor of the village of Southampton.
Right.
And my wife is a
big animal lover.
big animal.
Oh, wonderful. Now, are yours rescues?
Well, actually, this one's not. This is Gus, our Shih Tzu.
Okay.
And
She's
this
a
is Sammy.
rescue.
Okay. And her name is?
Sammy.
Sammy. Hi, Sammy.
She's half Border Collie, half Springer Spaniel, and she came up from the shelters in North Carolina.
Kill shelters.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
So she was rescued.
And to a life of bliss.
Yes. She's still a little nervous, Nellie, but she's good. She's adjusting.
Oh, that's great.
We have a cat at home.
And I'm begging for a dog park.
So now you're with the regular hospital, the People Hospital. The People. And that is great because it's good for people's health to adopt pets. Can you tell us about her? This is an adoptable pet.
Yeah, she's about a year old.
Okay, and her name is?
Her name is Holly. She was actually sent to be put down on Monday from Hempstead.
This is Holly.
This is from the Shotland. Oh, beautiful. She's brand new to us.
Is she from ACC?
Hempstead. And you're going to get a t-shirt with the last. Yes. And then a gift bag at the end. Hi. Okay, what's your last name?
Yeah, make sure you get your t-shirt.
You just want to play somebody.
You want to play. You want to play with me. Let me off the leash. Let me run. I know. Play with me. Oh, I didn't know that.
he's friendly if he wants to play with other dogs.
Well, then how old is Van Van?
He's 4.
You find my mother in the video.
Oh, you want to tell us about
Panda. This is Panda. Bernie's, and this is
That's a Lancia Newfoundland.
Oh, really?
yeah.
How many pounds?
100.
She won't get that big, maybe 110.
How old is she? 18 months.
18 months, less than a year.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And so well behaved. And is this
That's a Bernese Mountain Dog that got shaved.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's like a half the size of what she normally is.
Her hair is this long.
Oh, yes. Yeah. It's got a summer styling.
Summer, she loves it. It's too hot for her.
Where's my mother? You find my mother? Hey, come here.
So tell us some about the Jewel.
I'm Lori.
Hi, Lori. How are you?
This was donated to us, in all honesty. The dogs love it. They absolutely love it.
Oh, they do.
It comes in all different flavors.
This isn't frozen.
Yeah, it is, but it's melting. But they're all lapping it up. Okay, the peanut butter, it's blueberry, it's plain, and there's apple cheddar. So which was really nice is that the company donated a whole lot for us, so that was really nice. Blueberry and peanut butter.
Okay, you choose. Apple cheddar?
Apple cheddar?
Everybody's excited. Oh, look at this. That's wonderful. How are you?
They thought he was all husky.
He may look, but he looks pretty much like he might be the real deal. Hi there.
He's bigger than a Siberian husky.
Yes. And just be careful he doesn't get stolen because he looks like he'd make a gorgeous, it'd be a beautiful, beautiful sled dog on the airport.
Do you always get beagles?
Yeah.
That's great. I love when, rescues.
It's such a nice breed.
They are.
They're really very nice.
These are microchips that when you register for the walk, you're entitled to this microchip. And the vets are over there.
Okay, so you're doing...
What would you like to know? No, I'm the company representative.
Oh, you are? Yes. Okay, well, I'm Jewel.
Hi, Jewel, Larry.
How are you? Well,
Nice.
let's talk about animals.
Okay.
And, of course, this is one of the subjects that's near and dear to our heart. Oh, yeah? So it's already done?
It's actually home again, not home away. Home away would be a bad thing. You want home again. You want back. So the way the microchip works...
Vacation rentals.
That's okay. That's okay. The way the chip works is it's about the size of a grain of rice. It's injected like any regular vaccine. And it goes between the shoulder blades of the animal. It sits right under the skin. And every shelter and every clinic have scanners.
Right.
So if an animal gets lost, eventually it's going to turn up at a shelter or an animal clinic. They'll scan the animal. The number will come up in the scanner. They'll call home again. Home again will match the number to the owner. Call the owner and say, we have your animal.
Okay, now I'm told, we did a lot of research on
moments,
that the scanners don't necessarily read. There's like 5 or 6 different companies that do this.
There are.
What happens if a pet goes to one that's
Even companies that don't use Home Again,
Yes.
our scanner will read all chip frequencies from all the different
we've got the information, so.
And especially on Long Island, I mean, I'm happy to say that just about every single shelter on Long Island uses Home Again, and a majority of the vets, I can't speak for all of them, but the majority of the vets use Home Again. But everyone has the scanner that can read every single chip frequency. So regardless of what chip may be in the animal, we can read it. The scanners, when they sign up for the program, they get a free scanner. And then if they need more, obviously, we can provide them sometimes at a discount. But initially, they will get a free or 2. What's very important and what people really need to remember is they must register the chip. It's not a GPS. It needs to be registered because a lot of times if the chip isn't registered, they'll read the number, call the company, and they won't have the owner's information. So it's really, really important that if you do get your animal microchip, you register it. And with the Home Again program, what we're doing today, they're pre-registered by the shelter. It's a service we provided to the shelter, so we pre-registered all the tips for them. So the owner just has to fill out the information and we're good to go.
That's wonderful. And you're doing this free today.
Yes, we are. If you're registered for the event, it's free microchip.
That's right. So if you miss Paul Walk, you miss the opportunity to get a free microchip.
There you go.
Thank you so much. How are you, Sandra? Good. So what a beautiful ticket display you have. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
Veterinary Emergency and Specialty Center. We're a 24-hour emergency critical care facility in Riverhead.
Lulu.
Hi, Lulu.
Lulu is my baby now. We got married, my wife and I, this past September in the Hamptons. This is my little adopted puppy. I can't remember life without her. She can't remember life without me.
And how long have you had Lulu?
Well, Mommy's had her for now, I guess 5 years. Daddy's had her for a year. That's my little girl, right? She's going to be the big sister soon.
Okay.
Because we're having a baby, so we're teaching her now. She's got to be the big sister.
Oh, okay.
She's got a little baby. And that's Victoria. That's my niece.
Oh, wow.
Victoria.
Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
Is Victoria good with Lulu? Well, I can tell Lulu loves Victoria.
Oh, we're going to the starting line.
Thank you.